The birds knew before we did.
Never mind. Pull it, get cut! You could have warned me faster! I always pack for emergencies. It's a little big. There, the canister's in. And now, the flame. Wow, it's so blue! Perfect. Now for the water. Okay, ready to heat. How did you even know? I always know. Did you know this has 17 ingredients?
Hana,
Yes?
watch the noodles.
I saw that.
Saw what?
Don't mind me, just painting. Generally, the room. A little more left, yes, there. Now look toward the window, like this. Perfect, don't move. I'm not moving. You blinked. I need to blink, Hana. Ta-da! It's you. You made my glasses very big. They are very big.
It's good, Hana.
I know.
Did you cover my feet?
The floor is cold.
The rain had no plans to stop.
I love watching it. Why does my drawing have such big glasses? Artistic choice. I think we're staying the night. I brought 2 toothbrushes.
Of course you did.
Feeling better, Hana? Yes, thank you for the tea. Of course. It smells like the whole world just got cleaned. First star. Make a wish. I already got it.
Yuki had put those stars there when she was 8 years old.
Do you remember the first time we came here? You were afraid of the rope ladder. I was not afraid, I was cautious. You made me go up first to test it for safety. Yuki, will this treehouse always be here?